Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start with power and signal. Plug the monitor directly into a known working outlet and confirm the monitor LED is lit. Once done, make sure the monitor input selector matches the cable on your PC, HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA, because a mismatch gives a black screen even when everything is on. You should also physically inspect and reset the cable at both ends. A loose connector or bent pin often causes flicker or no image, so swap in a spare cable immediately to isolate the cable. You now verify the source device and its settings. If you're on a desktop, power down and confirm the graphics card is fully seated and that any auxiliary power leads are connected. A partially seated GPU can show no output. Next, boot the PC into safe mode or connect a laptop to the monitor to determine whether the monitor or the computer is at fault. Once you confirm the computer is fine, set the display resolution and refresh rate to the monitor's native values to prevent out-of-range errors. You finish by restoring baseline settings and updating firmware or drivers. Use the monitor on-screen menu to reset to factory defaults to clear corrupt config, and then update or reinstall your GPU drivers from the manufacturer to resolve software-driven blank screens. If the problem persists, try another input port on the monitor or connect a known good device to confirm the panel. One key troubleshooting tip: if the monitor briefly shows a signal then goes dark, test with a powered external.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.